Okay, the next tutorial that I'm working on is to use that template for this bracket in order to mount that TV. So now I'm walking Melissa through the process. So I'm going to share with you. Stay tuned. Now we used 4 on each section, had to go up a little bit because I happened to open this up. It is a concrete wall with furring strips on, so I had to use the toggle bolts, cut every one of them, and then took a little bit to get it in place. You got the level showing it's good. Now it's time to mount the TV. The brackets are mounted, and of course, she's laughing. The little hooker up on the top there goes on the top of the bracket. This has got the little, you pull, right? It's got a little fancy little magnet, so when you're done fucking with it, it goes in place. So now it's next to go put this fucker up. All right, we just mounted the TV. It requires a little bracket there, rest it in, and you got the bottom, locks in, good to go. Nice and nice, project 2 in 1 day done. Peace out, Cub Scout.